Hey guys, I just found this unique problem, and there are answers online, but there are no videos of how to fix this. My 2011 Toyota Sienna will not change the temperature. It seems that the temperature controls for the front, for the driver and the passenger, are no longer functioning. I can control the rear just like normal. So I can raise the temperature, lower it, change the fan speed. Everything works like it should. But when I try to use the front, I'll show you. Try to use the front right here, and nothing happens. I can control it by pressing the auto button. That works. And the off button works. The problem is actually somewhat hard to see. But this sync button right here will stick in the downward position, and you may not notice it. So before you go online, I'm pressing it in because I cleaned it a little bit, and now it comes back out like it should. But you won't notice it. It'll stay depressed. No pun intended. And it will have that exact symptom. You won't be able to control either of the front zones. So if you cannot change the temperature, the temperature is nothing to do with it. It could be set at 72, it could be set at 80, whatever. The issue with the control, in my case, is that this sync button stays depressed, but it's kind of hard to see because it has this little chrome trim on each side, which kind of hides that visually. So, hope that helps you guys out. If your AC temperature doesn't seem to be working on the front, but in the back it works, make sure that sync button is not depressed and stuck down. If that is not the issue, you need to go online and look for other options, but that may be your problem, or it may be the actual connector behind the button is no longer functioning. Thanks.